Alright guys, here today talking to you a little bit about the new release of Android Auto and how it works with these generic Android car stereos. So if you see my previous videos, I talked a little bit about how I use multiple Android car stereos, and one of the ones that I've used the most over the years, and it's lasted many years now, is in my 2011 F250, this aftermarket car stereo here that uses the Android operating system. And then the greatest thing to come along was these little dongles that you could buy, because they made it so you could use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay from your phone on your aftermarket Android car stereo. And while some people would argue it's not really necessary since you can run apps on here, it is nice to be able to take advantage of your phone's data system. Use the apps on your phone, use the music directly on your phone. And Android Auto just released their latest update, and with it came a lot of visual changes, which is the biggest thing. And now they have a lot more integration with the Google Assistant. They're really trying to push you to use the Google Assistant more. You can just simply say, "Okay Google," see, you heard it right there, to start up your assistant. And I want to make sure that our little dongle is still compatible with the new version of Android Auto. So go ahead and plug it in here. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and plug cord into our phone. So Android Auto starts up automatically. It starts playing music automatically. If you had Pandora going, you see it brings it up on a little screen there. So I'm going to bring it up, shut it down for a second. So what's new? Let's go over the features just real quick. The applications you have running are going along the bottom here. There's basically a home button. If you tap that, it will bring you to, these are all the apps on your phone that are compatible with Android Auto. So your phone is just like before. And you got your dial, your contacts, history, etc. The thing that I'll use the most is maps and sound. There's a new look to maps, and the nice thing is it has this bar down here that's always running. So I'll give you an example. Let's go back into Pandora. Let's see, our music's playing. I'll turn that down so I don't get a copyright strike. And we'll go into maps. Now if I want to go somewhere, it will give me the route, like always, give me my directions, but there'll be this little screen going down here where you can control your music at all times and see what's going on. Also, if I go back into Pandora, what's kind of neat, this is my favorite feature now, is there's this screen down here that always stays that shows you your maps directions while you're listening to music. So you can be on your music screen and still have all your information about your route going down here. So it's always on the screen. That's how a lot of navigation systems in factory cars are kind of set up like that. So I just thought that was kind of a neat feature. But this is the new look. There's not, it's not really a whole lot different functionally. It just kind of has a better, more polished look. Like I said, I like how the maps look. They just look a little bit different now, especially when you start moving. So this isn't really a features video of the new Android Auto. I just wanted to show you the new look, confirm that it is still compatible with our Android stereo and our dongle. Everything works great, no issues at all. In fact, it even works better now. Thanks for watching. If you want to know what stereo I'm running or the dongle that I'm using in this video, there'll be a link down below where you can purchase them yourself. Alright, we'll see you next time. Thanks.